on an ornament. Oh my God, it's so fun.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Together again for our second part of the series of making ornaments for your trees. If you missed the first one, our 3D ornament, like we have back here, go back and find that one.
I'll put it right here so you know that's number 1. Hello, big tree.
And today we're going to do decoupage ornaments. So I'm starting with this cardboard circle here. Miss Hazel's going to cut a cardboard tree.
All right, let's get started.
Okay, let's get started. We're going to use some paper, some Mod Podge, maybe some glitter if we feel like it, maybe some of these fun gems, or the giant gems that are also there, and a piece of ribbon that is now stuck in with my paper somewhere. Oh, here's my ribbon for to make the loop.
The tree's a little wacky.
Okay, so I'm going to start.
My tree is kind of not exactly perfectly shaped tree, but there you have it. No tree is perfect.
A sponge brush probably could be easier, but we're using just a paintbrush. So I'm going to put some down on my circle here. I'm going to add some paper because I like this painted paper that we used to make one of those. And then I'm going to put my Mod Podge right over the top. You're making a tree.
But I didn't like my last tree because it was really very wonky. So now I'm making a new tree with a straight line.
I'm also going to add some, on mine, I'm going to add some strips of paper also, because those are fun.
La la la. Sometimes when Kate, sometimes when Kate and I are together, it's very hard to focus because we're like dogs chasing squirrels, and we get excited about the next squirrel that got in front of us. So that's, you're seeing it live action. Oh my God, I want the biggest jewel on top of mine. Look at that. You're so jealous, Miss Kate.
I'm super jealous.
Okay, I need some more.
I'm so jealous. I decided I'd take a really big one. Okay. Oh, this is so fun. You could just add all sorts of things.
Oh, look at the
look
at the one red shining glitteriness.
Check out this. Okay, look at this. Is this not the most beautiful, sparkly thing you've ever seen in your life? I love it.
This is Miss Kate on an ornament. Oh my God, it's so fun.
Oh my gosh, it makes me cry. Okay, I'm going to cut out another circle. I have to cover that up.
God. All right, holy guacamole. That was really something, Miss Kate. And if you see, like, most of the stuff is just recycled.
Yeah.
Stuff that we found.
And we do have a lot of gems, jewels here.
Yes.
Because, you know, they're just fun to have. Okay, well, I think I'm done with mine.
All right, I'm going to go with maybe like one more jewel back here because I like these yellow stars.
Okay. And I think mine is very serious on one side, and this house is fun on the side.
Yeah, absolutely, Miss Kate. I feel like there's a theme for you this holiday. It's all about fun and glitter and all that. Mine is a little tree. Here's the other side, so that when it's hanging in the on your tree, or you could even put it in your window. I don't know. It's just fun. Don't take yourself too seriously. As you'll see, we don't. Yeah, have some fun. This is our decoupage ornament. Thanks for joining us.
Okay, and we'll see you next time for our beaded star ornaments.
Happy holidays.
Bye.
Merry Christmas. Bye, friends.